My name is Terrance Hundley, and this is my wife, Tamara Hundley, and we are the publishers for Rewind Magazine, which is a magazine for married couples or for engaged couples or for those who are just seeking to know what marriage is all about. And we're here to talk about what becoming one means to us. And I'm going to let my wife begin on that subject, and then I will just pick up where she leaves off.
Okay, hello again. And we have been married. This year will be 24 years in July. Mm-hmm. And so what it means for me becoming one is I draw the analogy to someone coming to Christ for the first time. They're already an individual with their own dreams, desires, hopes, talents, and gifts. When they come to Christ, he doesn't expect them to deplete those things or get rid of them, but to realign them to the kingdom and to the new relationship they're in. So when I think about our marriage and couples who are uniting, we came together. We didn't come together to change each other, but we came together to take our God-given gifts and talents and to take our dreams and desires and realign them to what we want now to accomplish together as a couple. And that's what becoming one means to me.
I teach couples that becoming one is a lifetime process. And again, because you're coming from two different backgrounds, you're two imperfect people, but you're trying to build a relationship based upon covenant, which is perfect because, of course, it comes from the mind of God. So then what that means is that you have to commit to the process of becoming one. And if you commit to the process of becoming one, whatever opposes that process will either submit to that process or either drop off. So you don't have to seek to change one another. All you have to do is just seek to commit to the process and watch the process work. And if you watch and allow the process to work, it will work. And you will find yourself becoming the best you that you can be for each other. That's really what the oneness process is all about, is becoming the best you that you can be for each other and the relationship. And then you can make the oneness process flow like it's supposed to. And you will also be building that relationship upon covenant and allowing God to be first in that relationship. So happy oneness, everyone.
Yes.
God bless.